Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Dyazo Quick Charge 3.0 compatible car charger. We can see the product itself through this clear plastic window in the packaging. Up top, we can see the symbol that certifies the product to be Quick Charge 3.0 compatible. On the left hand side, we have a few of the salient features, which include 4 USB ports, 36 watts or 8 amperes of power supply, and over voltage protection. On the bottom, we see that the cable that comes with the product is 1.8 meters long. On the left hand side, we simply have some Quick Charge 3.0 branding in the middle. On the bottom, we have some more power figures, which are 12 volts to 30 volts of power supply. On the bottom, we have a few devices that can be charged using this product. For example, it can charge mobile phones or GPS devices, power banks, tablets, PC or laptops, and digital cameras. There is nothing on the top, nor is there anything on the bottom or right hand side of the package. On the back, we have an illustration of the two units that the product comes with, and the power ratings of each of the ports have been called out. Also, the LED charging lights have been marked off over here. So let's go through the power supply of each port. On the unit that goes into the 12 volt power port of the car has an output of 5 volts at 2.4 amperes. The other unit, that is basically an extension unit, has two ports of its own. One of its ports has an output of 5 volts at 3.1 amperes, and the other port has 5 volts at 3.1 amperes, 9 volts at 1.8 amperes, and 12 volts at 1.8 amperes. The same thing has been repeated over here, so we will be moving on. On the bottom, we have a sticker that has the importing and manufacturing information along with the customer care details. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get a charging cable. This one is the cable that is mentioned on the box. It's a 1.8 meters long. It is nylon braided and has a black and red color scheme. It's a USB Type-C charging cable with a USB Type-C interface on one end and a USB Type-A interface on the other. Coming to the charging unit itself, there are two modules of this charger. The first one is the one that goes into the 12 volt power outlet of the car and draws power from it. This one has two USB Type A ports, and both of them are 2.4 amperes. Coming to the other extension ports, which can be kept further back in the car, let's say in the rear seats. This one also has two USB Type A charging ports. One of them is QC 3.0 certified, and the other one is a 3.1 ampere charging port. This unit has the Dyazo branding on it and the Quick Charge 3.0 branding as well. It also has a bracket on the back which can be used to mount this device onto the seat pockets of the car. This bracket can also be removed if required. Coming to the cable that connects these two units, it's a pretty thick cable, black in color, and is approximately 230 centimeters long. So this was the unboxing of the Dyazo Quick Charge 3.0 compatible car charger. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.